Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 34 of solving daily problems on Geeks for Geeks. Now let us see what today's POTD is. So the problem of the day for today is maximize the dot product, which is asked in directly. Now let us first read this problem. The problem says that given two arrays A and B of positive integers of size n and m, the size of array A is n and the size of array B is m, and given n is always greater than or equals to m, our task is to maximize the dot product. So dot product means that we have to calculate the product of corresponding elements in my array, and I can insert zeros in the second array, but we cannot disturb the order of elements. As the second array is 3, 6, 7, so I can add 0 before 3, after 3, in between the elements, but I cannot change the order, which means if it is 3, 6, 7, so after removing all the zeros from my given array, the order should remain 3, 6, 7. So as you can see an example that we get the maximum dot product after inserting 0 at first and third positions in the array. So after inserting at first and third position, that the B array becomes this, and after calculating their dot product, my maximum dot product becomes 107. So to solve this problem, I will first create here a result array of which will be of m plus 1 size, and let us declare it empty and starting. Okay. After that, we will run a for loop for int I equals to 0, I less than my n, and I will increment the value of I. After that, inside this outer loop, I will make a inner loop also, where int j will be equals to minimum value of my m comma I plus 1. Okay, after taking this minimum value, I will run a loop like j greater than equals to greater than 0, sorry, greater than 0, and we will decrement the value of j in every iteration. Inside this, we will check for I will initialize my result array, and I will make it my result j position will be equals to, and we will calculate the maximum product possible. So first we will take maximum of result j comma my a array first into my b j minus 1, and also we will add our result j minus 1 to it. Okay, so this will calculate the product for the given position. Now after that, everything is done, this loop has run successfully, we have to return the result array at m position. Okay, which will be storing our result product. So what we have done, if we go through with the help of an example, so let's take the example number 2, so which says my array. Okay, let me copy this, and let us copy the whole input from here. Okay, so n value is 3 and result array will be stored of size 2. Now next, for I equals to 0, I less than 4, this loop will run how many times? 0, 1, 2, it will run 3 times. Okay, after that my inner loop will take the value, so my j value will become the minimum of m is here 1 comma I plus 1. So minimum of 1 comma 1 will be 1, and it will run from j greater than 0, it will run 1 time. So now my result of j, yani ki result of my 1 position will store what? It will take the maximum of result j, which is 0. Now next it will calculate array of I. So I initially was 0. So array of 0 is 1 multiplied by bj minus 1, which will also become 1 minus 1 0. So it will become 4 plus result of j minus 1, which is 0. So it will store 4 as my answer. Now again this loop will run, and my I value will here become I equals to 1, and it will take a minimum of m, which is 1 comma I plus 1. I plus 1 will become 2. So minimum of 1 comma 2 will remain 1, and j is greater than 0, this loop j is here also 1 only, because we have only single element in my second array. Now result of j, it will calculate, j is 1. The result of 1 will be maximum of result of j. So result of j stores here for the next iteration, it stores 4, comma, it will take the maximum of array of I, which is array of 1, which is 2, multiply by bj minus 1, which will be 4, and plus result j minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0 position, it is storing 0. So 4 to the 8. Similarly, it will calculate for the third iteration, will be 4 3 is 12. So at last, my result will be, result at one position will store the maximum value, which is 12. So that should be my answer, and I have to written my answer from here. So now we should compile this code. So you can see it is producing correct output. Now let's just submit this to test for other test cases. So we have completed today's problem of the day, and I hope this video solution is clear to you. This problem was related to arrays, and it is an easy level problem on Geeks for Geeks. Please try this problem and try to solve it. First, you can see the explanation of this whole video. You can go through it, try to do it by yourself. If you found any problem or you face any error, then you can come back to this video and check the code here, and then you can match both the codes, like where you're missing or what is the logical error you're facing. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.